Hello, and welcome to the Sounds of Silence. Excuse me, please do not shush me. I'm trying to create an ambiance.
Yeah, well, mate, the whole point about this...
How do you feel being shushed?
Well, this is meant to be silent.
Exactly, it's Nigel Knight here. I'm
Why you keep
meant to be
going on
here
and
and
on then? Why don't you
narrated,
shut up
and
then,
then once I've
Don't need to
narrated,
shush, yeah?
it's the Sounds of Silence on the Sounds of Silence, then it'll be silent, okay? You got it?
Me, I was here to listen to Simon and Garfunkel, Sounds of Silence.
Oh, what are you... Shh! You're all ruining the ambiance. Sounds of Silence on Sounds of Silence. Silent now.
So we start being silent now?
Yes, now! Start silence now.
Boy, it's your next door neighbour. You're being too loud next door. Would you
I'm sorry, mate. We're actually trying to be silent.
I am so not paying for this.